Every year, thousands of people buy an RV chasing one simple dream: complete freedom. They picture themselves waking up beside crystal-clear lakes, watching unforgettable sunsets, and leaving stress behind forever. And to be fair, those moments are absolutely real, but they're only part of the story. What most YouTube videos don't show are the hidden truths that every experienced RVer eventually learns the hard way. The unexpected costs, the constant planning, the repairs, the compromises. None of these mean RV life is a bad idea, but if nobody tells you about them before you buy, your dream road trip can quickly become a very expensive surprise. So today, we're revealing the hidden truths about RV life that almost nobody talks about, but every future RV owner should know. One of the biggest surprises for new RV owners is discovering that life on the road isn't nearly as spontaneous as it looks online. Social media makes it seem like you can simply wake up, point your RV toward the horizon, and stop wherever looks beautiful. In reality, experienced RVers know that freedom often depends on careful planning. Before you even leave the campground, you're already thinking about where you'll refill fresh water, empty your holding tanks, buy groceries, fuel up, and, most importantly, where you'll spend the next night. During peak travel season, many of the most popular campgrounds near national parks, beaches, and scenic destinations are fully booked weeks or even months in advance. Waiting until the last minute often means settling for an expensive RV park miles away from where you actually want it to be. Even the weather becomes part of the equation. A route that looks perfect on the map can quickly change because of strong winds, heavy rain, wildfire smoke, or extreme heat. Ironically, the freedom that attracts so many people to RV life usually comes from planning ahead, not avoiding it. The good news is that once you learn how to plan efficiently, all of those logistics fade into the background, leaving you free to enjoy the parts of RV life that made you fall in love with the lifestyle in the first place. But even if you've planned every mile of your trip, there's one reality that catches almost every new RVer by surprise. You can't just park anywhere. If you've never owned an RV, it's easy to believe one of the biggest myths about life on the road, that you can simply pull over wherever you want and spend the night. After all, that's what social media often makes it look like. A beautiful overlook, a quiet beach, a scenic mountain road. Just park, wake up to an incredible view, and keep driving the next morning. The reality is very different. Many cities have strict ordinances that prohibit overnight parking, even if you're only staying for a few hours. Popular tourist destinations have become especially strict as more people have embraced RV travel over the last few years. Even places that were once known for welcoming RVers, like certain Walmart parking lots, can no longer be counted on. Some locations still allow overnight stays, while others have banned them completely, often because of local regulations rather than the store itself. National parks, state parks, and public lands all have their own rules as well. In many cases, sleeping outside designated camping areas can lead to fines or a late-night knock on your door asking you to move. That's why experienced RV owners rarely rely on luck. Before they stop for the night, they've already checked campground availability, local regulations, or trusted apps that verify legal overnight parking. It may sound less adventurous than simply parking wherever you want, but it's a small habit that can save you a lot of stress and help ensure your road trip ends with a peaceful night's sleep instead of an unexpected visit from law enforcement. And even after you've found a legal place to stay, another reality quickly becomes impossible to ignore. Getting a campsite isn't always as easy as you think. Finding a beautiful campground is one thing. Finding an available one is something else entirely. One of the biggest surprises for first-time RV owners is just how competitive camping has become, especially in popular destinations. Places near national parks, beaches, and famous scenic routes can fill up weeks, or even months, in advance. During holiday weekends and peak travel seasons, many campgrounds are completely booked long before the first RV even arrives. That means spontaneous road trips often aren't as spontaneous as people imagine. You might spend hours searching for an available campsite, only to discover that the closest opening is 50 miles away, or that the only remaining option costs as much as a comfortable hotel room. And it's not just luxury RV resorts. Even many state parks and public campgrounds reach full capacity surprisingly fast. As RV ownership has grown over the past few years, campground demand has increased much faster than the number of available campsites. The result is simple: more competition, higher prices, and much more planning than most beginners expect. Experienced RVers know that booking early isn't just convenient. It's often the difference between staying exactly where you dreamed of or spending the night driving from campground to campground hoping someone has a cancellation. The freedom of RV life is still there, but sometimes securing that freedom starts weeks before you even turn the key. And even when you finally find the perfect campsite, there's another surprise waiting for many new owners. RV life isn't nearly as cheap as most people expect. One of the biggest myths surrounding RV life is that it's automatically cheaper than staying in hotels or taking traditional vacations. On the surface, it seems to make perfect sense. You bring your own home, you cook your own meals, you avoid expensive flights. So how could it cost more? The answer is simple. Most people only calculate the obvious expenses. Fuel is often the first surprise. Many motorhomes average only 6 to 10 miles per gallon, meaning a long road trip can easily cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars in fuel alone. Then come campground fees. While some public campgrounds remain affordable, many private RV parks now charge rates that rival or even exceed the cost of a hotel room. But those are only the beginning. Insurance, propane, routine maintenance, registration fees, storage, and unexpected repairs all become part of your budget. And unlike a hotel vacation, those costs don't disappear when you're not traveling. The truth is, an RV isn't just a vehicle. It's a house that bounces down the highway every time you drive it. And houses that move require constant attention. That doesn't mean RV life isn't worth it. For many people, the freedom, flexibility, and unforgettable experiences easily justify the extra expense. But anyone buying an RV expecting to save money may be disappointed. The smartest owners don't choose this lifestyle because it's cheap. They choose it because they believe the experiences are worth the cost. And speaking of repairs, there's one lesson every experienced RVer eventually learns. Maintenance never really stops. If there's one phrase you'll hear over and over again from experienced RV owners, it's this: something is always broken. That doesn't mean RVs are poorly designed. It's simply the reality of owning what is essentially a small house that's constantly traveling down the highway. Every mile creates vibration. Every trip puts stress on plumbing, electrical connections, cabinets, seals, appliances, and suspension components. Over time, things loosen, wear out, or simply fail. A small roof seal can dry out and turn into a water leak. A loose plumbing fitting can become an expensive repair. Even something as simple as a cabinet latch or drawer slide can break after thousands of miles on rough roads. And unlike a traditional home, these systems are constantly exposed to changing temperatures, heavy rain, freezing winters, and scorching summer heat. That's why experienced RVers don't wait for something to break. They inspect seals, check tire pressure, service appliances, and fix small problems before they become expensive ones. In many ways, successful RV ownership isn't about avoiding maintenance, it's about staying ahead of it. Because the small issue you ignore today can easily become the repair bill that ruins your next vacation. But even if your RV is in perfect condition, there's one thing you still can't control: the weather. One of the biggest adjustments new RV owners have to make is realizing that the weather doesn't just affect your trip, it often decides it. In a traditional home, bad weather is usually just an inconvenience. In an RV, it can completely change your plans. A windy day can make driving a large motorhome exhausting, or even dangerous. Heavy rain can turn a beautiful campsite into a muddy mess. Extreme heat forces your air conditioner to work overtime, while freezing temperatures can damage water lines if you're not properly prepared. Even something as simple as choosing where to park becomes a weather decision. Park in direct sunlight during the summer, and your RV can feel like an oven by the afternoon. Stay in the mountains during the winter, and you may wake up to frozen hoses and icy roads. Then there are the storms, strong crosswinds, hail, flash floods, and even wildfire smoke can force you to change routes or leave a campground earlier than planned. Experienced RVers quickly learn that checking the weather forecast becomes just as important as checking the fuel gauge. The weather isn't just something you experience while traveling. It becomes one of the biggest factors shaping where you go, when you leave, and how comfortable life on the road will actually be. Learning to work with nature, instead of against it, is simply part of the RV lifestyle. But even if the weather cooperates, there's another reality that catches many first-time RV owners completely off guard. Living in a small space changes more than your floor plan. It changes your daily life. Before buying an RV, most people think the biggest adjustment will be learning to live with less space. In reality, the biggest adjustment is learning to share it. Even the largest RV offers only a fraction of the living space found in a typical home. There's very little privacy, very few places to be alone, and almost nowhere to escape after a stressful day. If you're traveling with a partner, you'll spend more time together than ever before. Every decision, where to park, what to eat, when to leave, even how to organize a cabinet, becomes something you solve as a team. That can be incredibly rewarding, but it can also expose communication problems that were easy to ignore in a larger home. Families face similar challenges. Parents and children quickly learn that personal space is limited, and even simple daily routines require patience and cooperation. Surprisingly, it's often the little things that become the biggest frustrations. Someone working while another is cooking, one person trying to sleep while another is watching TV, a rainy day that keeps everyone inside for hours. None of these are deal breakers. In fact, many RV owners say living in such a small space actually strengthened their relationships over time. But it didn't happen automatically. It happened because they learned to communicate better, respect each other's space, and embrace a slower, more intentional way of living. The size of an RV doesn't just change how you travel, it changes how you live together. And just when you think you've adapted to life inside your RV, you realize you're never really alone. Nature has a way of making itself at home too. One of the biggest reasons people dream about RV life is the chance to spend more time in nature. Waking up beside a lake, hiking through national parks, watching wildlife from your campsite. And those moments really are unforgettable. But nature isn't always as peaceful as it looks in travel photos. When you live outdoors, you quickly realize you're sharing that space with everything else that lives there. Mosquitoes, flies, ants, spiders, and other insects are simply part of the experience. Depending on where you camp, you might also encounter raccoons, mice, snakes, or curious bears looking for an easy meal. Even something as simple as leaving food outside overnight can attract unwanted visitors. Then there are the sounds: birds before sunrise, coyotes after dark, strong winds shaking your RV through the night, or heavy rain pounding on the roof just a few feet above your head. They're all reminders that you're not inside a traditional home anymore. Experienced RVers learn to respect nature rather than fight it. They store food properly, keep campsites clean, check their surroundings before setting up, and understand that wildlife deserves space just as much as they do. The reward is worth it. Few experiences compare to drinking your morning coffee while watching the sunrise over a quiet lake. But the hidden truth is that nature isn't a theme park. It's wild, unpredictable, and sometimes a little uncomfortable. And that's exactly what makes the experience so memorable. Even after you've learned to live with unpredictable weather and curious wildlife, there's one modern convenience many people assume will always be there: a reliable internet connection. In today's world, most of us barely think about internet access. At home, it's always there. In hotels, coffee shops, and airports, Wi-Fi has become something we simply expect. But life on the road is different. One of the biggest surprises for new RV owners is how quickly a strong signal can disappear once you leave cities and highways behind. Ironically, many of the most beautiful campsites are also the ones with the weakest connection. Mountain valleys, dense forests, remote deserts, and lakeside campgrounds often have little or no cell service at all. For some people, that's exactly what they're looking for: a chance to disconnect from emails, social media, and the constant noise of everyday life. But for others, especially those working remotely or relying on the internet for navigation, banking, or staying in touch with family, poor connectivity can become a real challenge. That's why experienced RVers rarely assume they'll have service. Before choosing a campground, many check cell coverage maps, carry mobile hotspots, or even install satellite internet systems to stay connected in remote areas. The hidden truth is that RV life often asks you to choose between convenience and incredible locations. Sometimes, the campsite with the most breathtaking view is also the one where your phone displays a message nobody likes to see: no service. So after all these hidden truths, the planning, the costs, the maintenance, the unpredictable weather, you might be wondering whether RV life is really worth it. And the answer may surprise you. After hearing all of these hidden truths, you might be wondering, is RV life really worth it? For many people, the answer is absolutely yes. But there's one final truth that every future RV owner needs to understand. An RV won't solve your problems. It simply changes them. Some people buy an RV believing that a new lifestyle will automatically make them happier, less stressed, or even repair relationships that were already struggling. But no matter how beautiful the destination is, you still bring yourself along for the journey. If you're impatient, RV life will test your patience. If you struggle with uncertainty, constant travel will push you outside your comfort zone. And if you expect every day to feel like a vacation, you'll probably end up disappointed. The people who enjoy RV life the most aren't the ones chasing perfection. They're the ones who accept that this lifestyle comes with flat tires, unexpected repairs, changing plans, bad weather, and the occasional frustrating day. They understand that freedom isn't the absence of problems. It's having the freedom to choose which challenges are worth living with. Because despite everything we've talked about today, the maintenance, the planning, the costs, the unpredictable weather, millions of people still choose this lifestyle every single year. Not because it's perfect, but because waking up somewhere new, meeting incredible people, and creating memories that simply aren't possible in ordinary life makes every challenge worthwhile. That's the hidden truth most people never talk about. RV life isn't easier than traditional living. For the right person, it's simply a better adventure.